Here's a super quick and easy way to make your greeting card stand out by adding a mini heart. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a mini heart to add to your greeting cards. Let's step into the video and I'll show you how to do this in less than 5 minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is to make our magic ring like I'm doing here. Then we're going to make 2 chain stitches. And once we have the 2 chain stitches, we're going to be making a treble stitch, and we'll need to make 3 treble stitches. What this means is you'll loop over twice and then you chain into the yarn and loop over 2 and pull through another 2 stitches and pull through, and the last 2 pull through. And then we need to do that 3 times. So once we're done with the 3 treble stitches, the next that we're going to do 3 double crochet stitches, which means you're only looping over once, chaining through the magic ring and pulling through 2 and pulling through 2. So we'll do this 3 times. And the 3rd time. Then we're going to make a chain stitch, and then we're going to do another treble stitch. And then we do 1 chain stitch and a double stitch like we did before, and we'll do 3 of those. So now we're basically just doing the other side of the heart. So now we go back in with 3 treble stitches where we are looping over twice into the magic ring, pull through 2, pull 3, pull through 2 and pull through the last 2. And so we'll need to do 3 of those. Done the last one, almost there. We do 1 chain stitch, another chain stitch, and then we do a slip stitch where we chain into the magic ring and out. So that's done. Now we just assemble everything together, pull through the string on our magic ring, and we should have a nice mini heart to finish off our project. So what I just did is I just used my glue gun to add the mini heart to a card that I was making. This could be any card, whether it's Valentine's, Mother's Day, or to celebrate the birth of a new baby. This just adds a really unique touch and a special touch to any greeting card, and I hope you give that a try.